Good morning little two. ازيكم عاملين ايه؟ انا مس فاطمة، والنهاردة ان شاء الله حابة اكمل معاكم بقية اليونت بتاعتنا، وحابة افكركم تاني ان يونت 1 بتاعتنا اسمها ماتر اند هنرش، ودي عبارة عن 4 lessons. اخدنا lesson 1 و 2، والنهاردة ان شاء الله هنبتدي مع بعض في lesson 3. lesson 3 اسمه internal energy and temperature. هعرف يعني ايه internal energy وايه اللي بيحصل في التمبريتشر. انا حابة ابتدي معاكم الليسن ده وقصة صغيرة كده AI عشان تفهموا اكتر الشرح بالانجلش بيكون عامل ازاي.
Before we start our lesson today, we have to know that each system has a boundary that separates or distinguishes it from its surroundings. Okay? That is called the system. What about it? The system is any part of the universe that is under study boundary, where the changes in energy and matter are observed. Okay? We said each system has a boundary that separates or distinguishes it from its surroundings, right? What is the surroundings? The surroundings is the space surrounding the system, which can exchange energy or matter or both with the system. Okay? Matter in the system may be solid, liquid, gas, or a mixture of them. Systems are classified according to their ability to exchange energy and matter with the surroundings into 1. An open system. It is the system in which both energy and matter are exchanged with the surroundings. Let's study an example of it. An open pot of boiling water represents an open system. Why? Or give a reason. Because heat and water vapor are exchanged with the air. Okay? 2. A closed system. It is the system in which only energy is exchanged with the surroundings, but matter is not exchanged. Let's study an example of it. A soft drink can represent a closed system. Why? Or give a reason. Because only heat is exchanged with the air, not matter. Okay? 3. An isolated system. It is the system in which neither energy nor matter is exchanged with the surroundings. Let's study an example of it. A thermos flask represents an isolated system. Why? Or give a reason? Because neither heat nor matter is exchanged with the surroundings. Okay? Now, let's study the internal energy of the system. According to the particle theory of matter, any system consists of particles. Each particle has potential energy and kinetic energy, which differ depending on the state of matter, as shown in the following table. 1. Solids. Potential energy of it. Maximum. Why? Or give a reason. Because particles are very strong, and the spaces between particles are very small. Okay? Kinetic energy of it. Low. Why? Or give a reason. Because particles only vibrate in fixed positions and do not move freely. Okay? 2. Liquids. Potential energy of it. Medium. Why? Or give a reason. Because the attractive forces between particles are moderate, and the spaces between particles are larger than in solids, but still limited. Okay? Kinetic energy of it. Medium. Why? Or give a reason. Because B. Particles can move relatively freely, allowing them to flow within the container. Okay? 3. Gases. Potential energy of it. Almost zero. Why? Or give a reason. Because the attractive forces between particles are very weak, and the spaces between particles are very large. Okay? Kinetic energy of it. Very high. Why? Or give a reason. Because particles move completely freely and rapidly in all directions. Okay? From that table, we noticed that the internal energy of a system is the total of the potential energy and the kinetic energy of the particles within the system. It represents the microscopic energy stored in the system due to the motion of its particles, which is the kinetic energy, and the interactions between them, which is the potential energy. The internal energy increases when either the kinetic energy, the potential energy, or both increase. Okay? The internal energy of a system depends on its mass, its temperature, the number of its particles, the type of matter, its physical state.
وكفاية كده عليكم النهاردة، على مش حابة أتقل عليكم قوي عشان ده شرح بيه ال AI. إن شاء الله الفيديو الجاي هيكون بصوتي. جود باي.